10 essential things to do after installing Fedora 44 Workstation. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have just installed a fresh copy of Fedora 44 with GNOME desktop environment, you are in for a treat. Fedora 44 brings GNOME 50 with nice refinements in accessibility, performance, and overall polish. But like any new Linux install, a bit of post-setup work makes it feel truly yours and maximizes its potential. Today, I'll walk you through 10 practical, beginner-friendly steps to optimize your system. These tips suit most users, whether you are a developer, gamer, or everyday user. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Update your system. Right after installation, the first step is always to bring everything up to date. Fedora receives frequent updates, especially in the early days after a release. Open the software app and check for updates, or use the terminal for a quick full upgrade. This ensures you have the latest security patches, bug fixes, and performance improvements. Reboot if prompted. Number 2. Speed up DNF Package Manager. DNF or DNF5 in recent Fedora handles packages efficiently, but you can make downloads noticeably faster by allowing parallel downloads. Edit the config file. Add these lines at the end. Save and exit. Values between 8 to 20 work well depending on your internet connection. Start with 10 and adjust. This tweak significantly reduces wait times during updates and installs. Now, number 3. Enable RPM Fusion repositories. Fedora prioritizes free and open source software. So, some popular packages like proprietary drivers, codecs, or apps live in the community-driven RPM Fusion repos. Run these commands one after another. RPM Fusion unlocks many useful tools and is a standard recommendation for Fedora users. Now, number 4. Enable Flathub for Flatpak apps. Fedora includes Flatpak support out of the box. Flathub offers thousands of up-to-date apps with good sandboxing. Enable the Flathub remote. It's often pre-configured but disabled or filtered. Or visit flathub.org and follow their one-click setup. You can now install apps via GNOME software or the command line. Flatpaks are great for apps like Discord, Spotify, or browsers. Now, number 5. Install GNOME Tweaks. GNOME Tweaks is indispensable for customizing fonts, themes, extensions, and desktop behavior. Launch it from the app menu and explore the options. It's perfect for fine-tuning your GNOME 50 experience. Now, number 6. Support for AppImages. AppImages are portable apps that just run. Install Fuse to ensure they mount properly. Many popular tools are distributed as AppImages and work seamlessly afterward. Now, number 7. Install Extension Manager. GNOME extensions greatly enhance productivity. The Extension Manager app makes browsing, installing, and managing them easy. Popular picks include Quick Settings Tweaker, Battery Indicators, or Top Bar customizations. Browse extensions.gnome.org through the app. Now, number 8. Install additional applications. Fedora Workstation starts lean. Here are some commonly useful apps. Use DNF for native packages or Flatpak for alternatives. Steam, VLC, GIMP, and a torrent client cover most needs. Add Dropbox or other tools as required. Now, number 9. Install NVIDIA drivers if applicable. For NVIDIA GPUs, especially GTX 1000 series and newer, use RPM Fusion after enabling it. Reboot and give it a few minutes for the modules to build. Always verify your hardware compatibility and consider potential issues on new releases. AMD and Intel users generally need no extra steps. Now, finally, number 10. Install additional media codecs. For smooth playback of videos, music, and hardware acceleration. This enables broader format support via RPM Fusion. Now, final thoughts. That's a solid foundation for your Fedora 44 workstation. These steps should give you a fast, customizable, and feature-rich desktop. Customize further with themes, power profiles, or your preferred workflow. So, what are your go-to post-install tips? Drop them in the comments. I read everyone. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Linux content. Thanks for watching and happy computing. Here is the final note. Always double check commands for your specific hardware and stay updated via official Fedora docs or forums.